Beacon Northern Footpath Inspection, Towpath, Saddleworth 76, Wednesday the 13th of November 2019. Walking along the towpath on Huddersfield Canal from Mossley to Uppermill, opposite Shaw Hall, just before arriving in Greenfield, two sections of the stone towpath edge urgently need repairing. Bank erosion caused by boat wash is already clearly evident. Continuing down the canal path past the Kingfisher Pub, the towpath has been considerably narrowed by a temporary fence by new development builders, which make the towpath very narrow, only about 5 foot wide. This is a very busy and well-used section just past the Marina. If you look carefully at the video by perhaps stopping and replaying it, you can see that much of the towpath has been narrowed by this temporary fence. My question is, did the builders need to place it so far into the path? Bearing in mind that people walk the path regularly and cyclists come down there, and also fishermen, it could be quite dangerous if it's not sorted.